Progressive Magazine, January 2024, exercise number 4. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Get ready for it. Start. Honorable member will remember that on one occasion he told us not only on his behalf but responsibly and authoritatively on behalf of others too, that we should adopt the city state formula. We adopted it, although we had come to some other conclusion because we were anxious and eager to please. But not 48 hours had passed when we were told, no, go back upon that. We won't approve that. We went back upon it, and so we shifted about in our anxiety to arrive at some decision which carried the largest measure of agreement and consent. The honorable members referred to what he called two crucial decisions which were taken without consultation. I am in a difficulty about this matter because I am really, totally, and absolutely unable to follow him. I do not know where he gets his facts from. I consulted my papers, our cabinet records, and everything. There are two decisions I leave out for the moment: the statement that I made in Bombay. The first decision was taken, I may say, absolutely and emphatically, with the consultation of everybody and my colleagues in the whole cabinet. I have no doubt about it. Finally, this bill itself was placed before the cabinet. The bill, after all, contains the decision on Bombay, and it was the cabinet that adopted it before it came to this house. That is the usual procedure. I do not understand how anyone can say, unless he is forgetting all this, that this decision was adopted without consultation. There has been more consultation on this than on any other subject that I have known of since I became Prime Minister. Shri Deshmukh was kind enough and good enough to say that he did not refer to me when he said that there was a certain animus. I thank him for the statement, but it is a small matter. After all, what I am and what I may be. But our method of government, the procedure we follow in the cabinet, in the government of India, in this parliament, and elsewhere are much bigger matters. Are we following wrong procedures? Are we overriding everybody and imposing some individual will, mine, or a small committee's will over this parliament, over the government, over the country? That is a vital matter. It is more vital than I say this whole state's reorganization bill. If we go wrong, how are we to function? It is a serious charge the honorable member has made. It is not easy to reply to it and to justify my own conduct, but I feel he has not assured justice. Stop.